Struggling to stay on top of quotes, invoices, appointments and documentation? Get rid of the paperwork and use OfficeOn, the user-friendly software for tradespeople in the office and in the field. Draft professional quotes and invoice customers with one click, based on your own range of services. It's easy and intuitive. Quote accepted? Then arrange an appointment and assign the job directly to your service engineer. All the relevant details are sent to them automatically. Job all done? Great! Thanks to employee feedback, you have everything you need. A detailed job report, including working time, photos, and services rendered. Plus, your customer's digital signature. Paper-based timesheet entries? Forget it! Employees record their working hours directly on their smartphones. You have a complete overview of everything on your computer: quotes, appointments, time tracking, and invoicing. Get rid of the paperwork and opt for fast, easy, and transparent. With OfficeOn, the user-friendly software for tradespeople in the office and in the field.